Hello students, welcome to online classes of Samstar Global School. I am Ramesh Sharma. Today I am going to start chapter 7, fraction. Okay, see, fraction is a part of a whole number. Okay, see, if suppose it is a whole part, okay, now we will divide into 4 equal parts. See, it is a whole part and I divided into 4 equal parts. Okay, now see, there are 4 parts. If we take one part from it, then total number of parts we will write below, and it is called denominator. Okay, now number of parts which have been counted, it is we will write above, and it's called numerator. See, numerator, denominator. Okay, 1 by 4 it is numerator and denominator is 4. Clear? Overall, this fraction is called 1 by 4, or it can be written as 1/4. Clear? 1 by 4, 1/4. Both are same. In fraction, we will say it is 1 by 4, and in words it is 1/4. Clear? Now, suppose again I divided into 4 parts. Now this time I am going to take 2 parts from it. Okay, see, 2 in numerator and number of parts. Total number of parts there is 4. So it is 2 by 4 as fraction and 2/4 in words. One thing, if we check, see, there are 4 parts and we take 2 parts, so it can be said as half. Is it clear? See, half of 4 is 2, and we have taken 2 parts from this 4. It is called half also, because if we divide, see, one whole part into 2 parts only, and if we take in this one, see, both are same now, both are same. That is why 2/4 is also called half. Clear? Now next, see, if we will take 3 parts. See, there are 4 parts. This time I am going to take 3 parts. So, in fraction we will write 3 by 4, because this time we will take 3 parts. See, 3 by 4. So, in words we can write 3/4. Clear? It is 2/4 or half, it is 3/4. Clear? Now, if we will take, this I am going to take 4 parts. See, 4 and number of parts they have taken, it is also 4. See, if you take 4 parts, it means complete a whole number now. So it can be written as 1. 4 by 4 is 1, and it is called 1 whole part. See, 1 whole or whole, both are same. Okay, whole. Clear? See again, fraction is a part of whole number. Okay, there are two terms in a fraction. First is numerator, second is denominator. Numerator tells us about how many parts will have been counted, and denominator tells us about how many parts are there in whole. Clear? See, if you take one part, then it is 1 by 4. If you take two parts, then 2 by 4, or 2/4. 1/4 means 1/4. 2/4 is also called as half, because half of 4 is 2. Clear? Next, if we take 3 part, it means 3 by 4. In fraction, in words 3, 4. Then if you take 4 part, it means complete whole. Then it is equals to 1. It's called as 1 whole or whole. Clear? See, next topic is reading and writing fraction. See the examples. There are 3 parts in which one part is shaded. Shaded means we will take this part only from this 3 part. Clear? See. So first of all, there are 3 parts. So we will write 3 in denominator, and one part is shaded. It means we will count only one part in numerator. Clear? So in this way we can write a fraction, or how to read it? See, 1 by 3. It is 1 by 3 or 1 upon 3. See. It is 1 by 3. We can read it 1 by 3 or 1 upon 3. Clear? Now next, there are 5 equal parts. Now this time 2 parts are shaded. So number of parts is 5, and we will take 2 parts, 2 in numerator. So it is 2 by 5, 2 by 5 or 2 upon 5. Clear? We will read like this, and we will write like this. 2 upon 5, 2 by 5, both are same. We will write like this, 1 by 3 like this. Now see, there is a triangle in which there are 4 triangles. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now one part is shaded in 4 parts. So it is 1 by 4. It means like this, 1 by 4 or 1 upon 4. Okay? Clear? Now see, 7 by 8. It is 7 by 8 or 7 upon 8. 8 by 11. Okay? 8 by 11. 7 by 8, 7 upon 8, 8 upon 11. See, 9 by 20 or 9 upon 20, both are same. In this way, we can write fraction, or how to read a fraction, like 1 by 3 or 1 upon 3. Clear? See, next example is 1/4, half, 2/3 and 3/4. So it is 1/4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So if we will say this part, then it comes 1/4. Clear? Now half. See, there are 2 parts. Half means like this. Now it becomes half. 2/3. See, there are 3 parts. Third, we will take 2 from it. Now it becomes 2/3. 3/4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3/4 means see. Now it becomes 3/4. Clear? See, it is 1/4, 1 by 2 or 2 by 4. But in this case, there are 2 fractions, two parts in which we will take only one, that is 1 by 2 only, not 2 by 4. Okay, now next 2/3, 2 by 3, 3/4, 3 by 4. Clear? Now next topic is type of fraction. First type is equivalent fraction. What is equivalent fraction? See, the product of numerator of first and denominator of second is equals to the product of denominator of first and numerator of second. See the example, 2 by 4 and 6 by 12. Both are same equivalent fraction or not? For this, if we multiply the numerator of first fraction to the denominator of second fraction, it means this numerator of first fraction multiplied by denominator of second into is equals to the denominator of first multiplied by numerator of second. If both are same, then it is equivalent fraction. Clear? See, 12 2s are 24 is equals to 6 4s are 24. See, 2 multiplied by 12 is equals to the 4 multiplied by 6. 2 12 are 24 and 4 6 are 24. Both are same, it means 2 by 4 and 6 by 12 is the example of equivalent fraction. See again, product of numerator of first, denominator of second is equals to the product of denominator of first and numerator of second. Clear? See another example of it. 1 by 8 is equal 1 by 8 and 8 by 64. Now again check. 64 ones are 64. 8 8s are 64. Both are same now. Like 24 and 24. It means 1 by 8 and 8 by 64 is also example of equivalent fraction. Clear? See, check whether these fraction is equivalent or not. 1 by 7, 2 by 6. See, 1 by 7 and 2 by 6 are equivalent or not? Again same procedure, multiply these two and this. 6 1s are 6, 7 2s are 14. 6 is not equal to 14. It means 1 by 7 and 2 by 6 is not equivalent fraction. See another example, 6 by 9 and 1 by 3. See, 6 3s are 18 and 9 1s are 9. Again, they are not equivalent fraction. Clear? One more example, 2 by 4, 1 by 2. See, 2 by 4 and 1 by 2. I told you both are same because it is 2/4 and it is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 it means half. 2 by 4 2/4. Now check. 2 2s are 4 and 4 1s are 4. See, in this way we can say 2/4 and half both are same because both are equivalent fraction. Clear? In this way we can check fractions are equivalent or not. Clear? A product of numerator of first, denominator of second is equals to the denominator of first and numerator of second. Clear?